Many of you guys can be a lot better traders if you just start actually getting motivated to become a better trader. Okay. What does that mean? It doesn't mean spending hours and hours learning and taking courses and, reading books on strategies and candlesticks and price action and volume, but it's actually motivating yourself to become a better person, a more disciplined person, a less emotionally involved person when it comes to winning and losing, a lot more patient, and actually simplifying the entire process altogether. Many of you guys need a lot more trading rules to become a better trader. Many of you guys need to be motivated and get excited when you do something good, like stop trading on the day when you're up after 2 or 3 winning trades. Like get excited on the day when you're able to turn off your computer and walk away after that one max pain, max loss trade. When you're able to walk away after sitting at the screen for an hour, not identifying anything that aligns with your strategy and telling yourself, maybe tomorrow's going to be my day. Today wasn't. Those are the things that you actually need to start getting fired up on. And those are the things that you actually need to start working on to become a better trader. But the most of you out there, and I can raise my hand and say I was one at one point in time, and hell, I still am at some point in time. But when you stop being fixated on the amount of money that you could potentially make because you see this and you see that, and if you just catch this one last trade, you could catch the bottom of the market where the market reverses 100 points. You can be in before the breakout. If you stop getting, if you just get away from that type of style of thinking, but actually get into a mindset. Again, trading is a lot on the brain, okay? It's a lot on the emotions. You need to start getting excited about the psychology part behind trading, figuring yourself out as a trader. Look at, there's different styles of people out there. There's different, there's scalpers, there's longer time frame traders. There's people who love the 4-hour time frame, people who hate it, people who love the 1-minute time frame, people who hate it. This is not a one size fits all cookie cutter mold. Okay, how fast can you get to a point where you identify where you're best at? Where does your emotional clock start to speed up? Meaning, does the 1-minute chart go too fast for you? Does the 2-minute chart move too fast for you? Maybe you need to go to the 5 or 15. Does the 30-minute chart move too slow for you? Do you find yourself scratching at the claws of your chair to get into a trade and you can't sit through waiting one 30-minute candle, one 1-hour candle for that next setup? Then maybe you need to move down to maybe a 15-minute time frame or a 5-minute time frame. How fast can you get to where you figure out that sweet spot that fits you? How fast can you get to a point where you figure out that that simple is better? How fast can you get to a point where you make a set of rules and you actually stick to them? Stop blaming the markets. Stop blaming the chop. Stop blaming the news or the interest rates or earnings season or this, that, and the other. The only person clicking buttons in front of your screen is you. Okay? Simple strategy, 2-minute time frame, 20 SMA. That's the white line. Disengage everything else that's on the chart. And matter of fact, I'm going to disengage everything that's on this chart, and we're only going to look at a 20-period simple moving average. This is a 20 simple moving average on a 2-minute time frame. I can only speak for things that I do. I run a 5-point take profit. I run around a $250 to $300 max loss per trade risk. First trade of the day is literally the first 2-minute candle. Let's do this. We're going to take the first 3 setups after the market, whether we win, lose, tie, scratch, we're done trading. Can you follow that system? Can you follow that system? Can you stick to trading the same amount of contracts, not take the first trade with too many contracts and then take the next trade with 5 and take the next trade with 5 micros? Let's give you an example. One mini contract, $300 to $250 max pain loss per trade. We're only going to take the first 3 setups that we see when we are in front of the charts. First setup is here, literally on the first 2-minute candles. Well, wait a minute. I don't like trading that early in the day. Stick with me here, because the market doesn't care when you like to trade. The market doesn't care when you like to trade. Let me say that again. The market doesn't know or care when you are comfortable trading. First 2-minute candle at 6:30 in the morning, that low price is $19,898. What are we waiting for? A following candle to confirm the low price of the reason why. Are we waiting for the confirmation candle to close before getting in? No. The confirmation is when price action is live and this candle is printing when it takes out the low of the reason why. 5-point take profit. That's a system that I use a lot. Winner. Next trade. 6:36 in the morning. Reason why candle. The high, 19,947. What are we waiting for? Following candle to start printing. Take out the high of the reason why. Do we wait for this candle to close before entry? No. We're entering into the trade on this following candle when price takes out the reason why high. 5-point hard. Take profit. Winner. $200 in the green. Third trade of the day, low price, $19,936 at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Following candle confirms, runs down to a price of $19,925. Winner, 3 trades, 3 winners, $300, locked up for the day, walk away. Do I care what this trade does? No. Do I care what this trade does? No. Do I care that I missed out on making money here? No. Do I care that I wasn't in on this big 100-point candle? No. Why? Because I have a system. I'm going to follow that system. Now, I'm not saying that this is my system where I take 3 trades, but you need to build a system that works for you. That's what it takes to be better as a trader. Now, my system currently has me sitting out at least 15 minutes of the market. Why? Because I was not controlling my emotions on this move here or on this move here. I was maybe jumping in a little early. Maybe, maybe I was trading too much size for myself, right? So what did I do? I clipped it in the butt. I eliminated that from my personal rules, my game plan, and it's done well for me. My trade window is also only taking trades, and this is in my rules, up until around lunch and when New York comes back from lunch. So for me, it's around 10 o'clock, 10:30 in the morning Pacific Standard Time. After that, I'm not looking at the charts. I'm not worried about what the market is doing. I'm off the clock. It works well for me. Maybe it doesn't work well for you. You have to figure it out. If you want to become a better trader, you need to start implementing things on a day in and day out basis. Keep things simple. Can you even follow a simple set of rules? Can you follow a simple system? Can you walk away after 3 trades? Test yourself. If you don't know if you can do it, test yourself tomorrow. Take 3 trades and walk away, for better or for worse, for green or for red, for profit or for negative. Walk away. Just prove to yourself that you can even do that. Because if you can't prove to yourself that you can take 3 trade setups when they occur and walk away without feeling FOMO or feeling that you've missed out or feeling that you're losing money or feeling that you could do more, you've already lost the game. And not the game in the markets, but the game with yourself. If you put a rule on yourself where you don't want to trade for the first 5 minutes of the market or 10 minutes of the market, or you're not going to take any trades within the first 30 minutes of the market, can you do that? Or does the market open tomorrow and there you go, diving in head first after you told yourself you're going to sit out for the first 15 minutes, breaking your rules? You're only hurting yourself and you're only keeping yourself back. I hope this video finds someone well and you can take something I said in this video to better help you in your trading journey. I'll see the rest of you guys on the inside.